Hey there, fellow Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to format a number as a zip code in Google Sheets for 2025. If you've ever dealt with addresses, you know that zip codes can be tricky. They're numbers, but they often include leading zeros that can disappear if not handled right. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can get it done in under 2 minutes. First off, why does this matter? In Google Sheets, when you enter a zip code like 01234, it might automatically treat it as a number and drop the leading zero, turning it into 1234. That's a problem if you're working with postal data or mailing lists. The good news is, formatting it properly is straightforward. Let's jump right in. Open your Google Sheets document and locate the column or cells where your zip codes are entered. For example, say you have a list in column A. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. You can click and drag to highlight them, or if it's a whole column, just click the column header. Next, head over to the menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down, select Number, and then choose More Formats at the bottom. This opens up a submenu. Go ahead and pick Custom Number Format. Here, you'll see a dialog box where you can enter a format code. For a standard 5-digit zip code, type in 000. That's 5 zeros. This tells Sheets to display the number with leading zeros if needed. Hit Apply, and voila! Your zip codes should now show up correctly. But wait, there's another way if you prefer using formulas for more flexibility. You can use the text function. In a new cell, type something like equals text, A1, 000, assuming A1 has your original number. This converts the number to text with the specified format. Drag this formula down for your entire list, and you're good to go. One quick tip: if your zip codes are longer, like the 9-digit zip plus 4 format, adjust the zeros accordingly. Say 000. Also, watch out for any existing data. Make a copy of your sheet first to avoid mistakes. There you have it. Formatting numbers as zip codes in Google Sheets is a breeze once you know how. This little trick can save you tons of time and prevent errors in your spreadsheets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.